Premier Truck Group, Amarillo. Doug Phillips, 806-654-7640. That's my cell number. You can call me anytime, 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. This is another one of those 2021 mid-roof XTs we have from that fleet in Tulsa. Sitting on 10 new tires, DD15, 455 horsepower. Baggage door on each side, 241-inch wheelbase, 455 horsepower. Curbside baggage door, curbside sleeper door. Big old toolbox, headache rack. It's DOT inspected, it's DOT'd, it's ready to go. Premier Truck Amarillo, Doug Phillips, 806-654-7640. This truck qualifies for all kinds of Freightliner, not third party, but Freightliner extended warranties. Stock number SMT3044. A 2021 with 427,797 miles on it. Select Trucks of Amarillo. Thank you.